Hello, today I'm going to show you how can different schedule mode be set in using Microsoft Project Accelerator. So we all know that we have three different schedule modes. This is fixed duration, fixed units, and fixed effort. For changing that, we are going through Microsoft Power Apps. I'm in Project. I will go to Settings. And in settings, I will jump into parameters. And I will see my default organizational unit, or if I have multiple units, I can choose one. And then I can choose them. And I choose my organization, and I'm going to edit. Here, you will see default schedule mode, which is fixed duration, but I also can establish fixed effort or fixed units as default schedule mode. And one important thing, project level schedule mode override permitted. If you choose no, then when you create a new project using Microsoft Project Accelerator, only fixed duration will be available. So you will not have a possibility to change it. On the other hand, if you leave here yes, then each and every time when you create your new project, you will have possibility to choose which schedule mode will belong to that particular project which you are going to create. So that is very easy part of it. So one thing more, since once again default schedule mode is here fixed duration, when you create your project from project for the web, when you go to new blank project and you go here and you give a name, you will not be able to choose which schedule mode will belong to that particular project, but it will only have a possibility to have a schedule mode which is default, and in my case it is fixed duration. So there is no way that you can change schedule mode using Microsoft Project for the web. For that purpose, I will delete this project, and now I'm going to create a project from here. So I'm going back to the projects, and I will say, okay, I'm in projects, and let me create a new project. For creating a new project, I will click on New Project. I will give my project name. I will say Fixed Duration Project. Okay? And I can choose the project type. Let's say it's cloud computer program, whatever it can be. IT program, business unit IT, state, let's say that it's active, stage, let's say it's planned, it doesn't matter. But at the end of the screen, I can choose if I want fixed duration, which is default, or fixed effort or fixed unit. Since this is fixed duration project, I will leave it as it is, and I will save and close. And I'm going to create another project which will have a name Fixed Units Project, and here I will say that it is active, and who cares, I'm going to go right here, I'm going right here, and I will choose that this is not fixed duration but fixed units. And by the way, I forgot, I will use calendar template, which is Croatian time zone template from Monday to Sunday from 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. Okay, so I choose that. So I have one project which is fixed unit project. Okay, save and close, and another project which is fixed duration project, and I will choose the calendar template, which will be the same like in previous one, Croatian time zone, Monday to Sunday from 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. Why am I doing that? Because I want to show you where is the difference. First of all, let me show you the calendar templates. So I go into settings, I'm going to calendar templates, and I will show you Croatian time zone template from Monday to Sunday from 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. For that purpose, I create a generic resource, and work hours for that is from Sunday to Saturday from 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. Okay, this is calendar template. On the other hand, I can show you that under resources I have, for example, John, which work hours are from Monday to Friday from 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. So how can I see the difference using my projects? Let's go back to my projects, okay, and I'm going to see projects, and I'm going first to choose fixed duration project. I'm going to edit it. I'm going to task, and now I'm going to add first task in my particular fixed duration project. I will add task 1. I added also duration started finish columns here, and I will say the duration is 7 days. You can see, since I'm using the template which was shown a few minutes ago, that this task will start at Monday 3rd of January and it will be finished on 9th of January, which is Sunday. Okay, this is the way to create a new task. I will now go and assign this project to the group, which is my group, and then I will assign that task to John. Okay? After I assign that task to John, he will work 40 hours. Why? Because he's supposed to work from Monday to Friday, so 8 hours per day, 5 days multiplied by 8 hours per day. Per day means 40 hours, but the task will still be started at 3rd of January and be finished on 9th of January. This is because we are talking about a fixed duration project. On the other hand, I'm going to choose my fixed units projects and I'm going to edit. And I'm going to take here, put the task. I will put the task here, task, as I did it in my fixed duration projects, and I will add also start, finish, and effort, and I will say this task has duration 7 days. I will have the same thing from 3rd of January to 9th of January. Why? Because the same calendar template has been applied. So where is the difference? The difference is here. When I assign a group here and I put that duration is 7 days and I assign John, okay, you will see that John is supposed to work 7 days multiplied by 8 hours, which means 56 hours, not 40, but 56, since we are talking about fixed units project, and he will start at 3rd of January and he will be finished on 11th of January because he will work 7 days, and those 7 days are going to be Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday, which is 6th of January. Then on 7th and 8th of January, he is not supposed to work. And he will continue to next Monday, which is 10th of January, and he will finish his task on 11th. So be aware, when we are talking about fixed units, that John's calendar will be respected and the effort will be calculated by duration multiples by days on which are John going to work. 7 days multiplied by 8 hours. Once again, if we go back to fixed effort, fixed duration project, and if I go here to tasks, I will see that those 7 days are strictly 7 days according to calendar template, and George's calendar is ignored in a way that he cannot postpone finish date because it is fixed duration and the calendar template for the project is from Monday to Sunday. But since his duration of a task is 7 days, and he's supposed to work in only 5 days per week, his calendar will be respected. So he will work only 5 days in these 7 days. So it means that he will work from Monday to Friday, 8 hours per day. And there is the difference. Here is 40 hours, and on fixed effort is 56 hours. That's how you can see where is the difference between fixed units and fixed work. And there are some other things which can be seen as changed, but that is going to be a part of my next blog post. Thank you very much. Have a nice day.